It's a term you hear us mentioning all the time when we give our weather forecasts, but what exactly is a front? Storm analyst Dr. John Scala has the answer.
Versus hail, many people think the difference is just in the size, but there's much more to this frozen precipitation. Winter weather expert Paul Kocin explains in tonight's Weather IQ.
What is the difference between sleet and hail? Sleet and hail are both pellets of ice that form by two entirely different processes. Now, in wintertime, sleet occurs when snow falls from clouds and encounters a layer of above freezing air that melts the snow. But if there is a deep enough layer of cold air above the surface, the rain refreezes as ice pellets, or what's commonly known as sleet. However, hail forms in a different manner and often at a different time of year. Hail develops in convective clouds or thunderstorms. Now, even in thunderstorms, precipitation forms high enough to form as snow. However, in thunderstorms, as it falls, it melts into rain, and there are strong updrafts that force the rain back aloft where temperatures continue to be below freezing. The hail continues to freeze, and if the updraft is strong enough, that ball of ice grows larger and larger as the moisture freezes on contact in the cloud. Now, eventually, the ball of ice gets heavy enough to overcome the updraft, and that's when we see it falling as hail. Now, one of the interesting things is that in summertime, you'll notice very large drops of rain. That's evidence of melting hail that was once fairly large pieces of ice that existed up at the cloud. For Weather IQ, this is Paul.